Well, the snow is up over my waist, and I'm 6 feet tall. What the hell do we do? Our backhoes broke down at the top of the driveway, only halfway done. My driveway is a half of a mile long into the woods. As you can see, you cannot see a neighbor's house. All you see is trees, and I'm stuck. Can't go anywhere. That's my mom's Pontiac Grand Prix, under about 4 feet of snow. My stepfather's work van, under about 4 feet of snow. If you look down there in the back, you'll see this little piece of metal sticking up. That's a 55 or 500-gallon oil drum cut in half for a burn barrel. Almost completely gone. That's 4 feet tall. This is just devastating. Our town got nailed.